Hi everybody, Kate Torreta here. Good afternoon. So for today's video, come with me as I celebrate my 31st birthday here in Pakistan. So as you can see, I'm being surrounded by a lot of kids right now. We got a little celebration here. So these kids have never seen or have never experienced any birthday celebration. So it's gonna be their first time as well. So it's gonna be so exciting. Ay, sa Pakistan ganito, hindi na kailangan ng ano-ano. Hindi uso dito yung mga pinggan-pinggan, kinakamay lang yung cake dito. Sumaya. Ay, kinamay. Kinamay. Ay, di ba ang saya? Nag-cake giving tayo dito sa Pakistan. Dali. Sa kamay na lang. Oh, kinamay. Gusto mo yung kinakamay? Oh, kinamay. Gusto mo yan. Oh, ay, kinakamay. Gusto ko to, yung kinakamay.
Umaya.
Umaya.
Umaya sa siya.
You want more? Sumaya. Hi, gusto mo to? Alam ko. Gusto.